What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the smart garage door opener. I did a review on this yesterday and I post up the unboxing, but I did a video like this, but it was more of a rant when I did my pros and cons. So it's a little bit different today because I actually figured out the Alexa issue I was having. The problem was she was not opening the garage door, but she was closing the garage door. Now I figured it out because of my wife actually helped me. She said, you will have to say garage door. I was just saying open the garage. All right, we are in the app for the smart garage door opener. The plus button, and you want to go on and off on a schedule. All right, we tap on and off on a schedule, and it says have 1 out of 2 select a device or a scene. So right here it shows nothing. See, that is complicated. That's the complicated part about this thing. When you try to do this, I try to make a scene and then I try to go ahead and set this on a open and off schedule. It don't work. So when you go to home, you press the 3 squares right there on the top right and you scroll down just a little bit and it says door notification, and then right here it says auto close. That's it, auto close. So we have an overtime close, which you tap that, and it says whenever my smart door opener is open, I like to close it automatically after a certain time. Then we go back. Right here we have fixed time close. So you can have your garage door closed at a certain time. But in this section, through this, you got opening time. Opening time is the time you can actually choose if you want your door to open faster or you want it to open slower. You have closing alarm. So when the door closes, you can actually hear a beep and it will go like beep, beep, beep. One of the cons is it doesn't open on a schedule. At least I couldn't figure it out. I've been going through this app very thoroughly. That's why I didn't drop my rant review when I couldn't get Alexa to work. So we in the app. All you have to do is press the button right here. You get a notification. Y'all can see that on my screen. All right, now let me put on that beeping sound. We turn on our beeping sound. All right, closing alarm, and we are going to close it. There you go. So you can control this anywhere. And also, this is the one that don't have the Apple HomeKit. There are 2 versions. One version is the Alexa and Google version. And the other one...
I don't know that.
She just gave that away. Okay, so I think this is called the Echo Dot, right? Echo Dot, I think it is 3. I am not truly sure, but I will actually post this product because I got it from Best Buy, so I will post it right there. Okay. Oh yeah. I forgot. Another con for me, if you are a Apple user, you can't use Alexa, or you can't say Alexa. Hold on a second. Let me turn her off right now. Okay, I just turned her off. If you have an Apple. You cannot say, Alexa, open my garage. Just like that. You actually have to go to the app. That is a big inconvenience. I don't know about y'all, but for me, if I'm actually have to go into an app to open and close it, I might as well go into the actual app of the garage instead of going into an Amazon Alexa app. So here where it gets tricky. I hope that this video really can help y'all, because I actually had to dig deep to find this out. All right, I was getting mad. I did a rant video, but I'm not going to post that video because I don't want nothing to be misleading. I want this to be an honest review. Here is where I was going wrong. All right, y'all ready? Alexa, open my garage. Open my garage.
Do you want your vehicle picked up or do you want to visit the store? Say something like pick up my vehicle, or I will take it to the store.
That's where I was having a problem. I was getting frustrated because I was just saying open the garage. Simple.
Do you want your vehicle picked up or do you want to visit the store?
This.
Say something like pick up my vehicle, or I will take it to the store.
Watch this. Alexa, open my garage door.
What's your voice code for smart garage door opener? Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, open my garage door.
Do you want your vehicle picked up or do you want to visit the store? Say something like
Alexa, open the garage door.
Do you want your vehicle picked up or do you want to visit?
Okay, so y'all actually witnessing the app is getting on my nerves. It's almost a waste of my time. Now, with the Echo Dot, I just turned it back on. I'm gonna bring it close so y'all can actually see it work. All right, y'all ready? Alexa, open my garage door.
What's your voice code for smart garage door opener? Opening. Hang on. The smart garage door opener is open.
So, you have to say garage door. All right? Now, when you close the garage, you can just say close the garage. You don't have to actually say close the garage door. And on this, I did get a notification. I turned screen record off on y'all, but I did get a notification that it was open. So you do get notifications that it's open. All right, so when you do the voice, when you do your voice activation for this, you do have to give a 4-digit code to open the garage door. All right, so here we go. Alexa, close the garage.
Closing. Hang on. The smart garage door opener is closed.
And I'm sorry about that. I turned screen record off a while ago, so all right. I just got a notification saying that the garage door opener was closed. I know y'all can't see it, sorry. It works better with this. Y'all see the trouble that I was having with the app. It's like the app is like a waste of time for me. I don't know why you can't use Alexa standalone on your phone.
Here's Standalone by Morgan Wallen on Amazon Music.
One of the other cons for me is this thing is supposed to be 23-foot long cord. You see that black wire right there? That is my sensor wire, that black wire right there going across. So y'all see the sensor? I put the sensor on the garage door. It is magnetic. And then I screwed the other part of the sensor onto the wood. So they are actually together. It says do not put them 1 inch apart. So it's almost 1 inch apart. It might be like 3/4 apart. I even saw somebody on Amazon had a picture where this was on his he put these the zip ties and zip tied this onto this part, and I see why he did it, because you know this wire, the sensor wire, all in a nutshell, is not long enough. They should have made it, I don't know, 50 foot. They should have made it, you know, 35 foot. The blue and it's kind of green wire I put with the garage door, the opener that goes to the wall. That's where you want to hook it up. It's no order, okay? You want to hook it up on the opener that's to the wall. I have to say that because some people might hook it up to the other wires, which has nothing, which is not powering the source to the opener. All right, and you want to push in those orange tabs. You want to push them down with a screwdriver and then put the wire in. That's all you have to do. Okay. Me, I turn the actual electricity off because anytime I deal with electrical stuff, I always turn the main box off for the garage. So you may not have to, but I'll do it just for safety reasons. Already? Oh, okay. Okay, you guys, so to sum up everything, the pros is that you can open this garage door basically you could be anywhere and open the garage door. It's easy, it's on the app, tap the button. Another pro is it's a decent price, 30 bucks. They have some that's cheaper and they have some that's more expensive. Now, if you don't have to, the openers, the actual garage door openers, the newer ones actually come with smart home hookups. It comes with the wireless, the keypad, wireless. Everything is wireless and everything is already smartphone ready. So that's pretty good as far as the new ones go. Now, I would say you don't have to go to that extreme to get one of these unless it breaks. You can easily buy one of these small garage door openers. Some may be good, some may be bad. You saw my review